guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Nissan GTR 34. Behind us here, it's just finished having a full wrap removed from it. So we do have a bit of a tough job on our hands in terms of removing the glue before we can go ahead and start coating. So the polish job will be quite in-depth. It'll take us around 3 days to do the complete job. So let's go and have a quick look at the condition and see what we're dealing with. This car has actually been repainted on the front bonnet, the front fender here, and then the front bumper. Outside of that, everything else is original paint. And the owner of this car has actually owned this car from day one. It's still a single owner car, around 60,000 Ks on the clock. And if you have a look at the roof, I'm sure we can do some cinematics for close-ups. Obviously we got swirl marks, but we also have a lot of glue residue left over from the wrap. There's only 3 and a bit millimeter of clear coat and paint left, so very, very thin in terms of available paint, but also quite a bit of thick glue on top. So we'll have to be very careful and take our time to get through this and keep the original paint in good condition. So looking forward to the result, and let's go ahead and start with the cinematics. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for the next video.